This is 6-color CI flexo printing machine. 6-color 1200 mm width. First time installed in Pakistan. Maily used to print paper bags such as paper cement bag, valve pocket bag, McDonald's and KFC food packing bag. This machine with video inspection system. Crane lift system for anilox roller and plate roller. For more details, feel free contact Mr. Sam from WENZHOU WTO Tech Co. Limited. www.wtotech.com. WhatsApp 86 187 6779 9654.